everyone, Angie here, and today I'm excited to share this giant set of painting tools from Rolling Dog Tools that I'll be using to transform my wall. Let's open the box and see what we have inside. This comes with two jumbo 18-inch paint rollers. Let me compare the size of that roller to the size of a normal roller. Look at the size difference, and then if we compare it to a small roller, holy moly, this thing is huge. It's not going to take me very long at all to paint my surface, so I'm super excited about that. So we have the two rolling tools. We also have paint fillers. These paint rollers are perfect for tackling huge projects, and today I don't have a huge project, but I've been meaning to do it for a very long time and I want to hurry up and get it done. So let's hurry up and get into the video. Setting up is super simple. Just pour your favorite paint into this sturdy container from Rolling Dog Tools. Grab a roller and you're ready to cover some serious wall space. These jumbo rollers make it easy to get an even coat in record time. These rollers are an absolute game changer. With their extra wide design, you'll breeze through painting whether it's a statement wall or a large canvas project. The coverage is smooth and the rollers glide effortlessly, making the whole process feel less like a chore. Here are a few tips to get the most out of this set. Roll in overlapping strokes for even coverage. Use the containers to avoid constant trips to the paint can. And keep a damp cloth ready for quick touch-ups. And there you have it, a fresh, bold, new look with just a few swipes. If you want to tackle your next painting project with ease, definitely check out this giant paint set from Rolling Dog Tools. I'll leave a link in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this, and for videos on arts and crafts and sewing and all those fun things that we like to do. So I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video upload that will be some kind of craft or some ideas. Peace out.